Hi YouTube, Andrew from MissMooRC. We have something a little bit different for you. A totally different project, not RC related. We actually got a mini bike kit from Go Power Sports. They're Rascal. This started some 20 plus years ago. My father was to build us a mini bike with a frame and wheels that he had for myself and my brothers to ride. It was a project that never got finished over years, and someone else decided they wanted it and went walkabouts. Anyway, I decided why not. I found these and decided it was time to have a go at building one and give it a ride. So here we are, the Rascal Kit. Frame, handlebars and front forks. Comes complete. You just need to buy engine to go in it. Get a nice anodized black fuel tank. You have the choice of different seats. We went with the black with the white GT stripes. It will look quite nice. Chain guard and clutch guard. With the kit you have the option of mounting the fuel tank in different locations. We're going with the top mount, which has the opening for the fuel tank to sit through, like so. Or you can mount it at the back, so that way, depending on how you do your order, will change. What else have we got? Oh, the clutch. Hydraulic disc brakes, so that's the caliper and the brake lever all ready to go. Kickstand, and the actual kickstand mount is already welded to the frame, and you've also got the foot grips to go on the front foot pegs. You get the fuel tank mount, which has also got the fuel tap for turning the fuel on and off. Your grips with your throttle as well. Kill switch, and that's also got the throttle cable in it as well. All your mounts and bolts for everything. Chain. You've got your axle wheels front and back, and also the bolts and bushings for the front fork. Disc brake for the wheels to be mounted on, and finally big solid sprocket gear. Oh, and our Rascal stickers to go on the front. All important. So today we're going to be preparing the frame and hopefully getting some etching primer on it. We do have to deburr the inside for the bushings to go through for the front forks, so I'll do that with the Dremel before we put any paint on it, and just give it a rough up, and hopefully if the weather holds out we'll get some paint on it today. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. Thank you, thanks for watching. G'day, Andy again. I just wanted to give an update on how things progressed today with our mini bike build. The weather was good and no rain, so we're able to do quite a bit actually. We're able to rub everything down and put primer on the front forks, handlebars and the mini bike frame itself. A few little minor blemishes which we'll fix up at a later date, probably tomorrow, and put some more paint. Probably some more things will need touching up, and we'll see that in the daylight. Really wanted to say thank you to Abby and Richard for your help today. It's been a lot of fun. Stay tuned. There'll be more videos on the mini bike build project. Leave your comments below. Tell us what you think. Any suggestions? Happy to hear them. And give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, guys.